Alright, let's have a look at what we've done here. So we have already selected our accented edges, our little filter here. So let's adjust this here. We have it set at 2 for our edge width and our edge brightness at 38. You know what, let's take this down a few notches. Let's take it down to 35. That looks pretty good. And our smoothness at 5. I think these are good settings that we have set here. Also up here you can actually manually change any of your brush techniques that you have here. You can change it to spatter, blah blah blah. But I have chosen accented edges and I'm going to stick with that. Oops, let's get back into this. There we go. And as you can see, once we hit OK, it's going to give us this nice smoky feel. It's actually giving us a little bit more depth here in our rendered clouds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and hit Command F to reapply that filter again, and there it is. Our smoke has just jumped right out at us. So as you can see here, we've got some of these edges here that just didn't render or filter really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop here, but we'll fix this in our next part.